Start. Greetings to all. Resource person of the day, Dr. Poonam Arora, Principal, SNAS Model Senior Secondary School, Mandi Govindgarh, Patron of GPC Elnai Social Welfare Society, and Principal, Govindgarh Public College, Dr. Neena Seth Pajni. Faculty members of Govindgarh Public College and SNAS Model Senior Secondary School, office bearers and executive members of GPC Alumni Social Welfare Society, dear students and other participants. It gives me immense pleasure to extend to you all very warm greetings of the day. I am Dr. Ruchika Jain, Assistant Professor in Commerce, Govindgarh Public College, and convener of GPC Alumni Social Welfare Society. And it's my privilege to welcome you all to this webinar on the topic Live, Dream and Achieve. Before we proceed with our expert talk of the day, I would like to share with the resource person and the participants about Govindgarh Public College and about our Alumni Association. Govindgarh Public College is a multidisciplinary college affiliated to Punjab University, Chandigarh. The college was established in the year 2003. The college offers BCom, BBA, BCA, BA, PGDCA, MA English, MA Punjabi. In a very short duration, the college has progressed in the fields of academics, sports, cultural, NSS, NCC as well. Every year, the students of the college attain university position in Punjab University merit list. NSS unit of the college has been awarded with rank 1 among 208 colleges of Punjab University, Chandigarh. About Alumni Association of the college, the association was formed in the year 2012 under the convenership of Professor Sushma Miglani. In 2014, this association was registered under Societies Registration Act with the name GPC Alumni Social Welfare Society. The participants are requested to switch off their cameras. The participants are requested to switch off their cameras. So, the Alumni Association of the college is indulged in various social welfare activities. We have executive committee of 24 members, including office bearers and executive members. This session, due to pandemic, we are not able to indulge in the activities in physical mode, but we are keeping on doing our activities in online mode. So this is the second webinar in our series of webinars to be conducted by GPC Alumni Social Welfare Society under the aegis of Govindgarh Public College, Alor, Khanna. Dear participants, let me introduce to you all the resource person of the day, Dr. Poonam Arora. She is BCom, MBA, PhD, Bachelor's in Education, and has versatile experience in teaching, research, as well as corporate. At present, she is working as Principal, SNAS Model Senior Secondary School, Mandi Govindgarh, and is handling the school with a strength of 900 students. Earlier, she has worked as Principal, Glorious Convent School, District Fazilka, Head, Department of Commerce, Harvest International School, Ludhiana, Head, Department of Management and Business Administration at Patiala Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women. She has also corporate experience with ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company, Munjal and E-System Hero Corporate Services Limited, and Apollo Sindhuri Capital Investment Limited. She has attended a number of workshops and conferences. She has, to her credit, research publications in the journals of national and international repute. She has presented research papers in various national and international conferences. So we are feeling honored to have you as our resource person of the day. So welcome you, ma'am, and over to you, Dr. Poonam.
Thank you so much. I'm really thankful to the GPC alumni and Honorable Principal Dr. Meena and all the staff members of GPC who are conducting this webinars on a virtual mode, which is very, very essential for all of us to keep going. I'm really thankful. I welcome you all. Good morning, all the students, staff, and guests, those who are associated with this webinar. The topic for the webinar is Live, Dream, Achieve. The topic will be actually categorized into three categories. Live. What is live? Apa roz ji rahe hain. Everybody is living, you know. So what is live in actual? Just think of one thing. For 1 minute of time, each one of you, just think once. Somebody has rightly said, live every day as if today is the last day on this planet. जियो इस तरह कि आज अखीरला दिन हुए. You never know when we are going to die because that is not in our hands. Are we thinking about that? Are we living like that? The question every day comes to the mind. We all are running actually. We are running for the race from school to college, college to your jobs, jobs to marriage life, marriage to then kids, kids to then older age. So we are just running and running our life. Sare bhaj rahe hain. But where to go? What is the destiny? Are we living for ourselves? कि आप अपने लिए जी रहे हैं, कदे अपने लिए सोचे? It is very easy, to say we are happy, we are not stress-free. But in actual, every individual knows that happiness is one thing we all are looking forward to. I hope you guys have heard about Harvard University. The biggest research was being carried there in order to find out whether the people are happy. What is the difference between happy people and frustrated people? And how many people are happy in their life and why they are? This was the biggest research that was being carried for 25 years. When the students were going to school, when they were hardly 15, जब 11th या 12th class से बच्चे होंगे 10th class तो उन्होंने research करनी शुरू की थी. And they did the research till they were married, they were settled in their careers, and after that, till the age of 45 years. So the period was too long. Everybody went to different professions. जिन्हें भी उन्होंने researchers, जिन्हें भी उन्होंने students सके, they all settled into different professions, say doctors, engineers, faculty, teachers, business tycoons. We're always in touch with partners, But the research, the research laid that most of people, 98% people are frustrated in their life just because they are running to find happiness because they are not satisfied and they don't value their personal relationships. आपा जो सन रब ने दिता है, आपा उसकी कदर नहीं करते. We are just running. When a child is born, जब ਅਸੀਂ पैदा होने हैं, parents they are very conscious that this school भेजना है, इसमें ये बनाना है, इसमें ये करना है. but nobody is actually making a child understand or child connect what actually he wants or she wants. उसको बस स्कूल भेज दिता जाता है. It is just to push him or her to the school कि स्कूल पढ़ने जाना है. It is important, it is ज़रूरी, you know. But what a child wants, how do you want to connect a child to the academic area? That has not never been done. It is all enforced education. Simple, you guys are in college, you don't have, I feel very few people have the connectivity as to what your careers would be and what your happy would be. But there are so many, those who just joined the college just after doing plus two, we are going to go to a college. But in actual, still their career is in a weak position. Problem with us is that we are always overloaded with futurization. We forget to live for ourselves. We always think about future. कल की होना है, कल की बनना है, you know, future planning, कितना होना है, कितना, you know, big bungalows, big cars, big dreams, or we are stressed with the past moments. Society किसी ने की कहता, वो मेरे बारे की सोच रहा है, what others are thinking, कर दे मैनू समझ नहीं पा रहे. We are always indulged into all these small things which actually bring our life to a stuck point. Has anybody thought about at the end of the day for 5 minutes? I feel it is the most important point where we need to think what we are doing and what we are not doing. Because in whole life, we are just, you know, we're just going to school, then teenage, then adulthood, then, you know, your jobs, and then your marriage life, then your next item. It goes on. And when you are at the last stage, you remember, yeah, I forgot to live. I hope you all know about Steve Jobs. When he was at the, if you don't know, I'll just bring to your limelight. He's the founder of Apple, right? We all are using Apple phones. So the founder of Apple was Steve Jobs. When he was at the deathbed, you know, when he was at the deathbed, he wrote a letter. He wrote a beautiful letter. That the crux of that letter was that I have everything today. I have millions and millions of pounds. I have big houses. I have big cars. I have a lot of wealth. But unfortunately, during my whole life, I was not able to live. I was not happy. I did not enjoy with my friends. I did not sat with my family. I did not celebrate every moment. I was just running. And today on a bed in a hospital, I'm realizing what wrong I did in my life. But unfortunately, there is no retake. There is no retake of the life because the time once gone is gone forever. So, my dear friends, I just want that rather than looking at the future, what it's going to be, it is, or what has, or the past events that has gone, why don't we not live? Everyone can live in present. What is today? How special it is about. I ask you one question that think if it is the last day of your life, what would you love to do it? Would you love to go to your job? Would you love to do, would you love to earn the money? Would you love to go somewhere else? What actually you will be doing? Definitely, we all would love to stay with our relationships, with our relatives. We want to enjoy, we want to be happy in our last moments. So happiness is the key to success. We always say this. But unfortunately, when we are working, when we are studying, when we are doing something, we forget that happiness. It is just a proverb to say happiness is the key to success, but implementation is always lacking. We always say that we are in very much stress, you know, every day. Everybody, बहुत परेशानी है यार, दिमाग खराब हो रहा है. It is like the situation is like that. कर्ज problem है, ethic jobs problem है, life's problem है. Everywhere you feel that there is problem. But Is there any solution to that problem? Nobody is speaking about that. Nobody is thinking about that. We are not even understanding that saying problem to a problem will not find out the solution. Every day, just look at yourself for 5 minutes and have that gratitude level to the God, that how grateful you are, how happy you should be in your life, because God has given you a beautiful day to live in. Your all parts are working. Thank to the God every day for it. Look at the people, those who do not have. You have a good food. Thank to the God. You have a good clothes. You have a good house. You have a good parents. What else we want in life? I feel that, people think that एक ਵੱਡੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਹੋਣੀ, ਇੱਕ ਵੱਡਾ ਘਰ ਹੋਣਾ, ਪੈਸਾ ਹੋਣਾ, ਵੱਡਾ status ਹੋਣਾ, job ਹੋਣਾ. These all are important in today's life, and everybody is running for it. Definitely, they are important. I'll never deny this fact that they are not important. But they are not only important, you know. Beyond their importance is your satisfaction. Getting all this, can you be happy? Can you be satisfied? What if you're going to build your futures tomorrow? You're going for some kind of, courses, and then you're going to settle down with your jobs, your business, your area of interest. What about if you forget to live and you're just earning big bungalows, big cars, and, big status? For whom you're doing that? If you're not happy yourself, just have a review. What we need in life, we need happiness. We need the point where we are satisfied. If you are studying, you're studying for yourself. You're not studying for doing job. You're studying in order to gain that knowledge. You're working, you're not working because एक एहसान कर रहे हैं आपका किसी स्कूल थे या कॉलेज थे. No, we are working for ourselves because we want to learn and we want to grow. Always think one thing in life, that whatever we are doing for ourselves, because believing in ourselves is the utmost important thing. If you don't believe in yourself, then you'll never be able to achieve your dreams. You won't be able to be happy about. You may go to any number of gurdwaras, mandir, masjid, wherever you want to go, but happiness lies within you. Every spiritual part, each one of you is a God in himself or herself. If you believe in yourself that yes, I'm the best and I can do the best, then I assure you that you need not to feel handicapped or dependent upon anybody else. Just every day in the morning, you have to just wake up and just tell yourself that I'm the best in this world. You do it for 15 days and you'll feel the difference. We talk very easily that positive rehna chahiye, situations aandiyan rehni hai, jandiyan rehni. But how many of us implement that? A stress level at a teenage or at your age is increasing like anything. Today, we all are virtually connected, sitting everywhere, anywhere, globally around the world. It is such a beautiful, it is such a beautiful gift of the God. I know people are saying due to COVID-19, we are suffering, the economy has gone down, everything. Everybody is speaking about the negative cons about the present situation. सारे लोग negative बोल रहे हैं, यहाँ हो रहा, वो हो रहा. But you think about the positive side also. Just let us have a relook upon the positive side. Do you think India would have ever progressed in digital education what it has done in these 2 years? It is tremendous. You guys, those who are sitting in Gobindgarh or GPC, you are able to connect with American students. You are sharing the same platform, which is entirely an asset for you all. You can be friends, you can share your views. You're none less than anybody else in this world. Now, no college, no school is a single platform to judge you. You are open to the whole world. You're competing to the whole world. You are the best on this earth planet. But that you need to believe in. You need to believe in yourself. That is where we have to live for ourselves. If we have to live for ourselves, we have to live healthy, we have to eat healthy, we have to regime a healthy lifestyle too. I'm not saying that you should not eat junk or you should not go for everything has a day, there is a cheat day every time. But that does not mean that you carry an unhealthy diet every day, which most of us are doing, which is not actually healthy. Because the food we eat has really impacted our brains and our mind. बहुत सिंपल सी गल दसदी मैं अपनी बॉडी च ना we all are the best, we all are the best. Only the problem is with the software, you know ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ mindset है that is a software. हर बंदा कहता कि mindset is what ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਿਰਫ ਆਪਣੇ software ਦੀ tuning ਕਰਨੀ है. We have to set our mindset in that way that we start believing in ourselves. We start believing that we need happiness rather than we need a big bungalow or a car. We are materialistic. We need to feel happy inside and within us. Materialistic things can't make you happy ever. It's very short. It is pleasure actually. It is not happiness. So see, kal socho, if you have a big car, big bungalow, big lavish food, apa khana ਜਿਹੜਾ ਚੀਜ਼ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਆ we're just eating, we're enjoying eating every time, but is that eating giving you happiness? No, it is giving you a pleasure of a time. ਉਹ ਸਿਰਫ ਇੱਕ pleasure ਦੇ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ. ਬਾਅਦ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਖਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਯਾਰ we did overeating, ਉਹ weight put on ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, then we say ਕਿ ਯਾਰ lose motion ਲੱਗ ਗਏ ਜਾਂ पेट खराब हो गया. So many things come up to our mind, right? What is that? That is the difference between pleasure and happiness. The food that we are eating, that is pleasure, but happiness is within yourself. So you all need to tune your software systems of your mindset. Stop leading your life into stress, because we see that little stress is important in life, but having a lot of stress and speaking about stress every day is not good at all, because that will just ruin your software system. क्योंकि आप कहते हैं नेगेटिविटी बहुत जल्दी अट्रैक्ट करती है, पॉजिटिविटी इंप्लीमेंट करना बहुत औखा है. सो नेगेटिव थॉट्स में अपने सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम को डिलीट करना पैना, so that positive minds can come in. It is very important for each one of you to maintain that positivity of mind. I request somebody to please switch off the video. When we are talking about our daily routines, when we talk about that we need to live, we need to understand that in daily life, we want to live for ourselves. We want to start our day saying that I'm the best and I'll do the best. A sense of gratitude when you are going to sleep to your bed every day. Make a sense of gratitude. Thank your God, thank your parent, thank your teacher, thank each one who is contributing to your life. Thank everyone. So that at the end of the day, when you give your sense of gratitude to each one of them, those who have contributed to your day, that will give you a real satisfaction and real happiness of life. Pajna, pajna, pajna. Let us stop, think, and revive our positivity, believe in ourselves, and then move forward. Now I'm coming to the second point, that is dream. When we talk about dreams, everybody has a dream, big or small, right? ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵੱਡੇ dreams ਹੈ, ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਛੋਟੇ dreams ਹੈ. We all carry dreams in life, right? They are very, very important part of life. And we always want that we should fulfill our dreams. But how to go about it? ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਸਾਰੇ dreams fulfill? It is a process of letters, step by step. Not putting a pressure कि ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆ ਵੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਅੱਜ job ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ, ਅੱਜ ਗੱਡੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ, ਕੱਲ ਨੌਕਰੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ, ਅੱਛੀ ਬੀਵੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ, then ਅੱਛਾ husband ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ, and lavish life ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ. Not like that. It is not like that. It is a sense of satisfaction of achieving something by doing something, and think of that you are doing for yourself. Some people have a dream just to earn bread and butter. Some people have dream to achieve big in their life. And it is always rightly said, think big, achieve big, we always say. ਵੱਡਾ ਸੋਚੋ ਵੱਡਾ ਪਾਓ, right? सोच हमेशा वड्डी ही रखनी चाहिए. We should not have a narrow horizon of what we are thinking. We should think very, very wide. We should always think from others' perspective. हमेशा दूसरे के perspective नाल सोचना बहुत जरूरी है. But not for yourself. अपने लिए नहीं, दूसरे लिए. When you're thinking about yourself,
आवाज तो आ नहीं रही
when you're thinking,
एंड करना ब्लैक ब्लैक टेबल हो जाता टाइम में छेड़ देनी है
hello, when you're thinking about yourself, you have to think that you carry your dreams with you every day. You believe that you are able to achieve your dreams every day. You have to say to yourself every day, yes, I'm going to achieve all this. The best way is to pen down. It is better to pen down everything on a piece of paper. Look at what we dream, we should always look at what people do not have. We say that our basic necessity is what? Roti, kapda, makan, right? Food, shelter, and clothes. We all are having, we are blessed with that. But there are so many lakhs and lakhs of people who died because they don't have food. And when we go to the hotel, we are wasting the food. What we are doing? We are cursing ourselves. We are not doing anything else. We are cursing ourselves because we have money today. But tomorrow, when we don't have money, what we are going to do, God knows. Always try to do SWOT analysis of yourself. SWOT का मतलब होता है strength. S stands for strength. W stands for your weaknesses. O stands for your opportunities. And T stands for your threats. कभी भी एक SWOT analysis ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇਖੋ अपना कि ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕੀ strengths ਨੇ, ਕੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ weaknesses ਨੇ, ਕੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਖਾਬ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ opportunities ਨੇ, ਕਿਸ ਗੱਲ ਤੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡਰ ਲੱਗਦਾ, ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ threats ਨੇ. जब ये 4 चीज़ां तुसी थां ते लिख लो तो हमेशा याद रखो अपनी weaknesses ਨੂੰ अपने strength ਚ convert करना है, अपने threats ਨੂੰ अपनी opportunities ਚ convert करना. Because when you convert your weaknesses into your strength, you become more powerful. And when you become more powerful, you are not scared of your threats and your opportunities come very close to you. जब ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ weaknesses ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ strength ਬਣਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਾਵਰ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਥ੍ਰੈਟਸ ਤੋਂ ਡਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ. ਫਿਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਡ੍ਰੀਮਸ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਓਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀਜ਼ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਕਲੋਜ਼ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੇ. ਯੂ ਆਰ ਏਬਲ ਟੂ ਅਚੀਵ ਦੈਟ ਵੈਰੀ ਈਜ਼ੀਲੀ. ਇਹ ਸਭ ਕੀ ਹੈ? ਇਹ ਸਭ ਇੱਕ ਬਿਲੀਵ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਬਿਲੀਵ. ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ. ਨੋਬਡੀ ਇਜ਼ ਹੈਲਪਿੰਗ ਯੂ. ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਯੂ, your power, your positivity, and just a belief of yourself that you are the best one on this earth and you have to live it. Live happily. एक यूएस की रिसर्च हुई है regarding the stress levels in the heart attack, people are dying most of, on the world, heart attack, that is cardiovascular disease. बहुत सारे लोग उस तो मरते हैं. And कब मरते नहीं? There is a particular day, there is a particular time when people die with this. Can anybody tell? Since this is not interactive, I'll just tell you. It is Monday of every week. Every Monday, 8 to 9 a.m. 8 बजे तो लेके सवेरे 9 बजे तक हर सोमवार में बहुत सारे लोग, maximum number of deaths due to heart attack happen during this time, and this has been stated by US research federations. Why this is happening? Because people are scared, people are in stress that Monday आ गया, दोबारा कॉलेज जाना है, दोबारा स्कूल जाना है, दोबारा नौकरी पे जाना है, दोबारा उसी रेस भजना है. Why they are stressed? Because they don't think about themselves. उन्होंने लाता कि सारा टाइम जिम्मेवारियां सब कुछ है. जो जिम्मेवारियां सब कुछ है तो ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਕੀ ਹੈ? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੋ? Why the God has blessed you such a beautiful life? I've seen people after retirement also, they love to keep working. And I've seen parents and people of your age also, those who love to explore the world. खुश रहना चाहते हैं, एक्चुअली एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं दुनिया किथे है, केड़े कल्चर्स ने की है, नवी जगह, नवी लैंग्वेजेस, नवी जगह, नवे लोग, नवी लैंग्वेजेस, नवे एक्सपीरियंसेस. They are happy. They are serving the society. They are happy. आज आप virtual web पे हाँ, it's so moment of so proud that globally we can connect to anybody sitting at one place. We can know about different cultures. We can talk to them. We can speak to them. We can share our feelings. We can learn. We can relearn. We can do so many things at one go. So always, whatever you dream, you always need to believe it. But you need not to run a race, please. Be satisfied, be happy, be contented. That is more required in life. Last but not the least, when we talk about achieving, think big, achieve big. जब अपन जी ले, ड्रीम कर ले, अचीवमेंट तो साडे पैर खुद ही चुमेगी. ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਅਗਰ ਪੈਸੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਭੱਜਦੇ ਨਾ, ਪੈਸਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਹੋਰ ਦੂਰ ਭੱਜਦਾ. ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਨਾ ਕਾਬਿਲ ਬਣਾਓ ਕਿ ਪੈਸਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਭੱਜੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੈਸੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਭੱਜਣਾ. That is what is more required. I request each one of you that always try to live your life so happily, so contentedly that you should not feel regret at the end of your life that you are not happy and you have not lived properly. You are not happy to. So, once again, if you have any questions regarding my session, you are please most welcome to ask anything, whatever you want.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of wisdom. Your words of wisdom must have motivated our participants, and instead of having negative thoughts in our minds, in this time of pandemic, we'll have positive thinking and positive inspirational talks with the people like you. And these words have really motivated our participants. Now the session is open for discussion. So any of the participants having any queries can post their queries in chat box or can unmute themselves and ask the questions.
I would be happy to hear you from you. You can please unmute.
Dr. Poonam, this is Neena Seth Pajni. हेलो डॉक्टर पूनम। बहुत अच्छे वर्ड्स आपके लिए लिखे हुए हैं पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने। वेरी मोटिवेशनल टॉक एंड मोटिवेशनल लेक्चर। थैंक यू फॉर एनकरेजिंग वर्ड्स एंड words are flowing for your wonderful deliberations and all are appreciating. And so dear participants, we have total 80 participants right now. So I'm thankful to you, ma'am. And when you were talking about the happiness, so मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा था कि 1972 में भूटान ने ग्रॉस हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स की बात की थी। फोर्थ किंग ऑफ भूटान, दे टॉक्ड अबाउट कि ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक जीडीपी की बजाय ग्रॉस हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स की बात की जाए। तो उसके बाद हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स पे 149 कंट्रीज ने पार्टिसिपेट करना शुरू किया। एंड 2020 में आई सपोज 139 रैंक इंडिया का है 149 में से। इट मीन्स हमें जरूरत है अपना हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स बढ़ाने की भी और उसके बारे में बात करने की भी। अगर हम भूटान की बात करें तो वो जो ग्रॉस नेशनल हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स की बात करते हैं, उन्होंने 9 इसमें पैरामीटर्स लिए थे। फर्स्ट वाज द साइकोलॉजिकल वेलबींग। अगर आप हैप्पी हैं, साइकोलॉजिकली हैप्पी हैं, ठीक महसूस कर रहे हैं, अगर आपकी हेल्थ ठीक है, अच्छी एजुकेशन ले चुके हैं या ले रहे हैं, क्योंकि एजुकेशन एक कॉन्टिन्यूअस प्रोसेस होता है, अपने टाइम को ठीक से यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं, कल्चर डाइवर्सिटी एंड रेसिलियंस, मतलब कि बहुत जल्दी आप लौट आते हैं, कोई भी आपको सेटबैक लगता है तो आप नॉर्मल हो जाते हैं, गुड गवर्नेंस में रह रहे हैं, कम्युनिटी वाइटैलिटी है, इकोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी है, एंड योर लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड्स आर गुड, कि जैसा आप चाहते हैं। तो ये सारी 9 चीजें क्रॉस नेशनल हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स में काउंट होती है, ये देखने के लिए कि आप वहां पे कहाँ पे ठहर रहे हैं। तो जब हमारी कंट्री का आता है कि हम पीछे चल रहे हैं, तो बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है, सबके लिए है, पूरी सोसाइटी के लिए मैसेज है कि आप खुश रहें और खुद को खुश रखें और दूसरों को भी खुश रखें। और जहां तक आपका लेक्चर था, यू टॉक्ड अबाउट सक्सेस ऑल्सो। तो मेरे ख्याल से जब हम सक्सेस की बात करते हैं तो उसमें जो इंजन उसमें रहता है ना सक्सेस का, वो सिर्फ एक मेरे व्यू से कि राइट एफर्ट्स रहते हैं, एट राइट टाइम, राइट प्लेस और राइट सोच के साथ। और जितने भी हमारे स्टूडेंट्स जुड़े हुए हैं उनको मैं एक मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ कि आप राइट एफर्ट्स आप कर रहे हैं, ये आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए आप में एक विजडम और इंटेलिजेंस होनी जरूरत है, जो आप एक एजुकेशन के जरिए ही ले सकते हैं। आप एजुकेशन को ऐसे मत लीजिए कि आजकल ओपन बुक एग्जामिनेशन है, फर्क क्या पड़ता है कि मैं ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड करूं या ना करूं, या म्यूट कर दूं और मैम को भी म्यूट कर दूं और मेरी अटेंडेंस सिर्फ लग जाए, उतना सफिशिएंट है। ऐसा नहीं है। आप एक एक वर्ड जो अपने टीचर से सुनते हैं, आपको ब्लेस्ड महसूस करना चाहिए। जैसे मैंने बताया ना कि ग्रॉस नेशनल हैप्पीनेस में वन ऑफ द पैरामीटर इज एजुकेशन, कि आप एक एक वर्ड जो सुनते हैं उसको रिलेट करें, वो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करने में हेल्प करेगा कि आप राइट है या रॉन्ग है, आपके एफर्ट्स राइट है या रॉन्ग है। सक्सेस का सिर्फ एक मंत्र राइट एफर्ट्स, राइट टाइम, राइट प्लेस है, और वो तभी आप कर सकते हैं जब आप महसूस कर पाएंगे। तो आई एम थैंकफुल टू यू मैम फॉर sparing time out of your busy schedule and motivating our alumni.
Thank you so much.
Thankful to alumni also that they have joined. Dr. Ruchika कुछ कहना चाहती है?
Yes, ma'am.
Dr.
I have one query. Dr. Poonam, I just want to share, like, इस पैंडेमिक के टाइम में क्या होता है कि नेगेटिविटी माइंड में बहुत ज्यादा आने लगती है। मतलब वी बिकम पॉजिटिव, वी ट्राई टू बी पॉजिटिव, हम अच्छा सोचते हैं, नो डाउट, बट जब हम किसी के साथ कुछ गलत होता देख रहे हैं, मतलब वी सी पीपल एट यंगर एज, दे आर डाइंग ड्यू टू दिस COVID-19 situation, and due to this, like we are really afraid of. Like we people have become so you can say
Right.
desperate in these
Yes.
situations. And मेरे साथ तो ऐसा नॉर्मली होता है, लाइक मैं बहुत ज्यादा डेस्परेट हो जाती हूँ ये देखते हुए कि बिकॉज कल ही आई हैव हर्ड अ न्यूज of one of my known person that the person was died because of COVID. So these things create negativity in our minds. So उससे हमें कैसे कोशिश करनी चाहिए निकलने की?
Ma'am, it is very, I could say it, pandemic is for all of us. Right? We all are saying in the same boat. But to see, एक चीज हमेशा याद रखो, destiny of death is not in your hand. We all have to go from here. That is determined by God, not by you, not by me, not by anybody else. डर के आगे जीत है. For COVID, there is one logo only. डर के आगे जीत. अगर आप डर गए, पैंडेमिक्स बहुत सारे आएंगे, ਏਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਕੋविਡ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਸਿਰਫ. देयर आर सो मेनी पैंडेमिक्स. जब ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਾ ਚੀਚਕ ਫੈਲਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ, ਅੰਸ਼ਰੂ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਜੀ came to this to remove all this, you know, at the age of 7. ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਜੀ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਚੇਚਕ, ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਿਕਨ ਪੌਕਸ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ, ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਫੈਲ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ and everybody was like having a drive, मतलब हर दूजे बंदे ਨੂੰ, हर ਬੰਦਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇ ਜੋ ਸਿਨੈਰੀਓ ਸੀ. if you think about that scenario, we are at a very safe point. जब ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਮੈਮ ਬਹੁਤ 네ਗੇਟਿਵਿਟੀ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਬਹੁਤ ਡਿਸਪਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, you know, one simple mode is there, that is simple. Wherever you believe in your God, you believe in yourself, don't get, because media is showing so much to us. Rather than showing the positive world of the side, they are showing the negative world of the side. So please stop looking at the negative side of the COVID, first of all. Secondly, if somebody is suffering from COVID, boost them, help them to be positive, rather than ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਡਰੋ ਜਾਂ ਉਹ he's fighting, you know. So you have to be a bold pillar to him or her in his fight, to motivate him or her कि nothing is there, you'll be okay, you know. जब ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ positively motivate ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਾਂ positive ਆਪ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਔਰ ਇਹੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, we'll be all right, we'll be fine, you see the difference in life. And please, every day in my school, I have started with this. Whenever we come to our school, for first 10 minutes, we all pray every day. We pray to God for everybody's well-being, for the well-being of the nation, to actually survive all of us from this pandemic. Be it whichever religion we belong to, we do everything. We do Hanuman Chalisa, we do Japji Sahib, we do, you know, we do some Shabad, some Bhajan, some Durga Chalisa. We do every day we are doing something. See, the ultimate power is again the spiritual God. All of us has to follow, and one is karma. You do the right karma, and definitely will do right to you. When we are doing the right karma, we need not to be fearful. So negativity will definitely come, लेकिन जब आप positivity ਨਾਲ ਭਰੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਤਾਂ negativity will go away from us. So don't be scared. डर के आगे जीत है, हमेशा याद रखना. Your death is just written by God. Nobody else is there to create that date. So need not to worry. We all have to go. It's okay. That's perfectly okay. Not at all. But जितनी देर जीना है, खुश होके रहना है, and be happy, believe in yourself that yes, nothing will happen bad. And those who are in some kind of suffering situation, I request all the kids also, please, ਏਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ help ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ. We have to positively motivate. This is a virtual platform where you can meet them, where you can motivate them. Yes, nothing will go wrong. Definitely, you see, your positivities will contribute eliminating this from the world. Prayers really work a lot. I do believe in that. Thank you.
यहाँ मैं कुछ ऐड करना चाहूंगी कि जब हम हैप्पीनेस की बात कर रहे थे तो उसमें जो फर्स्ट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आता है साइकोलॉजिकल वेलबींग. तो वो साइकोलॉजिकल वेलबींग में ये होता है कि हमें ये सिखाया जाता है ये पढ़ना है, ये नहीं पढ़ना है, ये देखना है, ये नहीं देखना है, पर कहीं भी कोई ये नहीं सिखाता कि क्या सोचना है और कैसे सोचना है, हाउ टू थिंक एंड व्हाट टू थिंक. तो हम खुद ये जानते हैं कि ये चीज मुझे साइकोलॉजिकली डिस्टर्ब कर रही है। साइकोलॉजिकल डिस्टर्बेंस का मतलब होता है कि वो आपकी हेल्थ पे इफेक्ट करने वाला है, और आपकी हेल्थ आपकी फैमिली से जुड़ी रहती है। मैम ने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा। इसके अलावा आप खुद अपनी साइकोलॉजिकल हेल्थ का ध्यान रखें। जब आपको लगे कि ये चीज मुझे डिस्टर्ब कर रही है, जैसे भी सारी नेगेटिव चीजें जितने की हमारी व्हाट्सएप पे आती है, सोशल मीडिया पे आती है, काइंडली उसे ना पढ़ें। आपने देखा होगा कि कुछ लोग ना क्राइम पेट्रोल जैसे सीरियल देखने लग जाते हैं। अगर आप उनका बिहेवियर चेक करें ना, तो थोड़े टाइम के बाद वो हर किसी पे शक करते नजर आते हैं, और हर जगह उन्हें लग रहा होता है कि या तो यहाँ चोरी होने जा रही है या मर्डर होने जा रहा है। तो ये होता है कि जो हम सोचते हैं वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हमारे विचारों में आने लग जाता है। हाउ टू थिंक इसीलिए सिखाया जाता है कि जब आप अपने आगे जो फूड रखते हो वो आप पे असर डालता है। तो जो फूड आपके विचारों में जा रहा है वो आप पे असर डाल रहा है। अगर खुद को अच्छा रखना चाहते हो तो अच्छा फूड ही लें, अच्छे विचार रखें, अच्छा ही पढ़ें, और मतलब कि नेगेटिव चीजें पढ़नी नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़नी है। तो उसमें अपने आप आपकी हेल्थ ठीक होने लग जाएगी, और आपको एक अच्छी डायरेक्शन मिल जाती है कि हमें दूसरों की हेल्प कैसे करनी है खुद को बचा के। थैंक यू।
बस अपने अपने सॉफ्टवेयर को अपने हाथ में रखिए, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। कीप योर माइंडसेट, योर सॉफ्टवेयर इनटू योर कंट्रोल, डोंट लेट पीपल टू कंट्रोल योर माइंडसेट, यू नो, जस्ट हैव अ कंट्रोल अपॉन योर सॉफ्टवेयर, दैट इज व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड। जैसे हम फोन को कंट्रोल करते हैं वैसे ही बस अपने सॉफ्टवेयर को कंट्रोल करना है। यस राहुल, यू वांट टू स्पीक?
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you for your motivational words. And thank you, Madam Principal.
My pleasure. Thank you everyone once again. It was great to interact with you. I really thank Madam Seth for inviting me for this gesture, and GPC alumni for helping me, for sharing my views with you. I hope if I've said something wrong, I apologize for the same, but definitely I'm always there to help you out. Anytime you want to connect to me, I'm always there to help you out with anything I could do. I'll do my level best. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am.
To you.
We may
Have a
sign
nice
off
day.
now.